Students, today we are going to the next sections, division. Previous class multiplication we studied about. Today we are going to sections division, dividing three-digit number, dividing three-digit number by one-digit number. By one-digit number, look at the example. Divided 416 by 4. 416 by 4. The 416 is the dividend, 4 is the divisor. Now look at 416 is the dividend, 4 is the divisor. Then now we can divide it by 416 into 4. That is the divided 416 into 4. First you have take a one digit. Here 4, here 4. How many 4s are there? Yes, 1 4s. 1 4s are 4. 1 4s are 4. So you have write a number 4. Now we can subtract from the 4 minus 4. Subtract from the 4 minus 4. Yes, 0. Now bring up the 1 numbers. What number? Yes, 1. Here only 1 will be there. Here 4. We cannot subtract. So we can bring up another numbers also. Here 6. The another numbers also 6. You bring up of 2 numbers. So you put a 0 of quotient. Take a 2 numbers no. So you put a 0 of quotient. Now you can multiply by the 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. Now we can subtract. Yes, 16 minus 16. Yes, 0. 16 minus 16. Yes, 0. That is called a quotient. That is called remainder. It is dividend. What number sum will be there? Yes, a dividend. By which number you can divide? Yes, that is a divisor. You can dividend and divisor comes to quotient. Upper number is quotient. Balance is the remainder. So therefore quotient is equal to 104. 104. Then remainder is equal to, yes, 0. Now look at the second sum. Divide 168 by 3. 168 by 3. First you can divide it from the 3. Here take a 1 number. Here 1 is we cannot subtract. So because 3 is the biggest, 1 is the smallest. So you have taken 2 numbers. 16. So how many times of 3 will be comes to 16? Yes, 5 3s are 15. So 5 3s are 15. Because 6 3s are 18. So biggest numbers no 16 about of 18. So it is the smallest. So you have take a 5 only. 5 3s are 15. Then we can subtract from the 16 minus 15. Yes, 16 minus 15. Yes, 1. Now bring up the 8. Bring down the 8. You take a only 1 numbers no. So we can don't write with the 0 because you have bring up the only 1 numbers. Then 3 6 5 6 are 15. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. Now we can subtract from the 18 minus 18. Yes, 0. It is the dividend. It is a divisor. What is the quotient? Yes, 56. So quotient is equal to 56. Remainder, yes, 0. Remainder is 0. Quotient is 56. Now look at by a 2-digit number. By a 2-digit, dividing 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Look at the example. 228 by 19. It is a dividend. It is a divisor. You can take a 2-digit because it is also 2-digit. No, you can take a 2-digit. How many 19s are there? Yes, only 1. 1 19s are 19. We We can subtract from the 22 minus 19. Balance, yes, 3. Now bring down the 8. How many 19s are there? Yes, 1 19s are 19, 2 19s are 38. 2 19s are 38. We can subtract from the 38 minus 38. Yes, 0. Quotient is equal to, yes, 12. Quotient is equal to 12. Remainder is equal to, yes, 0. Quotient is equal to 12. Remainder is equal to 0. The fourth sum by 2-digit numbers. 322 by 14. So 322 be dividend inside, then 14 is a divisor of outside. Then we can multiply by the 14. You can take 2 numbers. So how many 14s are 32? Yes, 1 14s are 14, 2 14s are 28. 2 14s are 28. Because 3 14s are 42. Biggest numbers, no. So 2 14s are 28. We can subtract from the 32 minus 28. Yes, balance 4. Now bring down the 2. Now multiply by the 14. 1 14s are 14, 2 14s are 28, 3 14s are 42. 3 14s are 42. Now subtract 42 minus 42 is 0. Therefore, quotient is equal to, yes, 23. Remainder is equal to, yes, 0. Quotient is equal to 23. Remainder is equal to 0. Then this is your homework. Divide the following and find out the remainder and quotient. First one, divide 120 by 8. Second, divide 445 by 5. Third sum, divided 567 by 12. Fourth sum, 215 by 13. And dear children, do you know the table 1, 2 to 10? Now you can write the table from 11 to 20 one times, because you know the tables means you can easily for divided. So write a table from 11 to 20 one times. Thank you, children.